Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're going to be talking about beard itch, what caused it and how to prevent it. So today we're going to talk about beard itch. Now there's three things that cause beard itch. It's dead skin and grime in your beard, it's dry skin, and it's also tangled hairs that can stick together and clump together and curl up as well and kind of give you that beard itch. So I'm going to go through three things to do to prevent an itchy beard. So number one, you're going to wash your beard. Personally, I don't use any shampoos or conditioners on my beard or my body. I tend to use some organic soaps. This one I find very good. It's Dr. Bronner's organic soap. There's ingredients like organic coconut, olive and jojoba oils. What I do with that, I'm in the shower and I lather it up into my beard, get right into the skin, make sure you clean it very, very well, wash it off, towel dry it, and once you come out of the shower, and then you're ready to go for the next step. What the washing does, it gets rid of all the dead skin, it gets rid of all the grime, make sure your beard is nice and fresh. Step number two is we're going to moisturize the skin underneath our beard and to stop any dry skin from happening underneath there. So we're going to use our beard oil, just a few drops of beard oil. I'll quickly go through it with you now. So we're going to put a few drops on the palm of your hand. There is a beard oil video I go through fully. It's called Step-by-Step Guide to Using Beard Oil. You'll find that on the YouTube channel, so you can check that out. But I'll quickly go through it here. So you rub in the oil, we go from your ears down to your chin and focus along the jawline, really get into the skin underneath the beard. That's what you're focusing on first, and then after you can put a little bit of oil on the hair itself. So really get in there, get all the areas. Like I said, I'm going to quickly go through it now because we've done this video already, and we're going to finally stroke it down from ears to chin. So now your beard is nicely moisturized, and we want to make sure that all those hairs are detangled and they're growing nice and straight. So we're going to get our boar bristle beard brush. What's good about a boar bristle brush is that it evenly distributes the oil around your beard. So we're going to work from ears to chin, focus on brushing it down. You can go straight or you can go a slight angle like I do. And what that does is it stops any hairs from curling up onto your cheeks or curling up inside and tickling your beard, and gets them nice and straight, like I said. So they're the three tips that I have for you to prevent an itchy beard. Number one, get yourself a good organic soap, wash your beard. I personally wash my beard once a day. Some people prefer 2 or 3 times a day, depending on your skin. Do what works for you. Number two, you're going to apply some beard oil to moisturize the skin underneath the beard. And number three, you're going to get that beard in good shape by brushing with a boar bristle brush. Hope you liked the video. If you do, make sure you subscribe. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.